Gary, this is Paul Heck. I met you this morning outside my house, and you guys were working on my neighbor's house. I was having you look at some cleanup back there around that drainage ditch. But just wanted to get you a quick video to show you exactly what I'm talking about when I'm talking about your website, how I can make that work harder for you. I'm going to show you some of your competition in just one area. I know we talked about different services that you guys offer, so I can do that for any of those services, but this is definitely one that I would explore with you guys. So I looked up tree service Fayetteville AR in Google, and here's what pops up. You've got an ad running for Browns, and you've got this Charlie service popping up, and then you've got three things here in this map section that pull up: Stonewall, Mackey Tree Service, and Fayette Saws Tree Service. Those are not real strong as far as like how they are ranked, but this is an area where we can overtake these guys with citations. And I'm going to show you three things that you can do to your website once you get that going. So that's going to be the content on your website. That's keyword rich. So when I say keywords, I'm talking about things like this word right here. This tree service Fayetteville AR is actually on your site. I'm talking about backlinks. These are other websites that link to yours. And when those websites are stronger than your competitors, that's going to push you up in the search ranking. And the third thing are these citations. So that's your business name, address, and phone number listed on as many online directories as possible. And what we really have to beat out, we've got an Angie's List lead, we've got this Monster Tree Service, which is probably our strongest competition. Yelp is in here as well, and then Tree Climbers Online. So let me show you what they are doing and how we're going to beat these guys. So you can see they have Fayetteville tree removal right there in the tag on the URL, and they're specifically generating these leads from this Fayetteville page on their website. Now, this is a strong national website. This is a franchise, but we can beat these guys by going after what page is actually ranking for these guys. And they've got some content, not a whole lot. You know, cool chat box and stuff. We can do all that stuff. It's not a problem. You know, and they touch on you know, tree service Fayetteville AR, but really we're going to look at some other things that you guys can rank for and how we can beat them. Your second competitor is Tree Climbers LLC. Their website's just, you know, it's just okay. They don't have a lot of content on it at all. It should be pretty easy to beat once we get the backlinks on there. Now, looking at what I'm actually seeing on the technical side of things. So this is that Monster Tree Service Fayetteville page. You know, they've got decent strength on their overall site. I mean, it's a big site, but what I'm really looking at is like what backlinks do they have and what keywords are they being found for. You can drill into this and see that they're being found for 4 keywords, and those keywords are tree service Fayetteville AR, tree removal Fayetteville AR, tree removal Fayetteville, Fayetteville tree service. And if you look at, this is what I like to see, 100 volume and a 4 on the keyword difficulty. So this is how many competitors are actually going after that keyword. And I like to see that below 5. When I see it in the 2, that's really good. 40 searches a month, 140 total just for those 2 keywords. Now, if I look over here, I'm going to show you Bentonville, tree service Bentonville AR, another 40 searches. Springdale with a comma, 40 searches. Tree service Fayetteville AR, that's one we just looked at. Tree service Arkansas, another 80. Tree removal Fayetteville, tree service Rogers with a comma is another 50. So you can start to add all of these up, and you have several hundred searches a month for this service that you guys are looking for. And from what I'm seeing, it's a low keyword difficulty. So it can take a few months to actually overtake these guys, and then we just want to maintain where we are with these guys, beating them in the overall strength of our site and such. If I look at Tree Climbers online.net, they're being found for 135 keywords. That's really good for them. 21 and 10 on their strength of their site, decent, but it's not really a lot of strength. And you can actually see that it's declining in their strength. And so what I want to do is just go overtake those guys, and you can see they don't have a lot. You know, they've got Tree Climbers, they've got Tree Climbers near me. What we're really looking for is anything with the name Fayetteville or Bentonville, Rogers, Springdale in the name. So that's what I'm looking at from the side of tree service. I know it's a service that you guys provide. It's definitely something that I think we could bring you some real value and some real, you know, build some real business off of that. I'd love to talk to you further about this if you're interested. Like I said, I can do this for landscaping. I'm going to look at that and just see what the opportunities are there. We can build a site out that does that talks about a page for landscaping, a page for the tree service. We can break this into multiple sites. There's all kinds of different ways to do that. I can actually even build a site that I would rank and own and rent to you. It's however you want to build the business. I'd love to work with you on that. So my name is Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing. I hope you liked the video. I hope it was helpful. Again, it's content, 1,500 words a minimum. It's keyword-rich content. Backlinks are these other websites that link to yours. And then the citations, the name, address, and phone number. Those are the three things you got to do to build a website to actually make it work for you and make your phone ring.